one too. Well, I tell you, folks, we moved from one spot to another. And now I'm back down here again. You want to talk about a hot runner? Start smoking away! We got a runner in the Front State Raceway. Giddy up, run the horse. How about we give him a great big round of applause right there? 351.54. How many? That's sounding better. I tell you what, Art's got to get back home. They've got mass for his dad that passed away at 4 o'clock in Dyersville, or Manchester, I guess it is today. I can about tell you she's getting there, real close. She's hot, she's heavy, she's just about ready to lock and load and away! Big round of applause right there at 314.70 right there. 26.5 miles an hour. Well, we got done with the sale up here today, folks. Right at 50-some thousand, I think we made today up here. We don't even. She wrote right there. The door pops open and the driver wants to jump out. He was going to try to give himself a little bit of a push, but it was too late. How about we give him a great big round of applause though right there. Next up, we got Thunderbolt coming onto the track right here from Austin. Nice Peterbilt. Oh. Brings him right to a halt right there at 301.05 at 20.1 mile an hour. Give him a nice round of applause right there if you would. Well, we just had a little update. You guys are going to get to see a real fun truck that's coming here. He just is in Delaware. Give him a great big round of applause right there. 232.57. She wrote for him right there, 319.75 at 23.6 miles an hour. Together. Put her all back together. And now right here. It don't get no better. I tell you what. Oh, he killed it. Feel like their ride went. Jerry Green went down the pier. He might be out of enough power enough to get her to go. Hey, how about we give him a great big round of applause right there. I don't know who them young girls back there are, but they must be a fan club. Oh, goodness sakes. Right here. Oh, that's all she wrote for him right there. 382.65 feet at 31 miles an hour. Give him a great big round of applause if you would right there. Hey, we got the DOT chasing that guy right there. Big round of applause right there at 352.88 at 30 miles an hour. I wonder if he's going to need a pull off. I wonder if she's got enough antifreeze left in her. Now we got Simon's. Colin Kramer is going to be driving Simon's volume went down in Arkansas. You want to talk about a pretty simple old truck right there. I think she's a little bit of an Army repurposed kit. Slow and steady is the goal right here. We'll just pull her on down there nice and easy. My God, he's still open. That's all she rolled for him right there. 246.94. 246.94. Give him a great big round of applause if you would right there, folks.